If you're thinking about using Lovable AI, there's something important you should know first. You might be able to get it up to 75% cheaper right now. I found a special discount link that unlocks an exclusive offer. Lovable AI is quickly becoming one of the most talked about tools for building apps and digital products using AI. Instead of spending weeks coding or designing from scratch, you can simply describe what you want, and Lovable AI helps generate the structure, interface, and logic in minutes. That's why many creators, founders, and developers are starting to use it to launch projects much faster. Now here's the good part. Using the special link I've placed in the description, you can unlock up to 75% off on Lovable AI. It's a limited promotional offer, and the discount should apply automatically once you access the pricing page through that link. So, if you were already planning to try the tool, it's definitely worth checking the offer first, and I'm curious to know, what are you planning to build with Lovable AI? A SaaS product, an AI tool, or maybe a startup idea? Let me know in the comments. I always enjoy seeing what people are creating. And if you enjoy discovering AI tools and exclusive deals, consider subscribing. I share new ones regularly.